What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the first episode of Breaking 80. This is going to be my series about my pursuit of scratch. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going to have a fun one today. It's going to be cold as hell. It is 33 degrees, 15-mile-per-hour winds. It's a relatively easy course, so I'm hoping I can break 80. But with this wind and temperature, I'm not sure. But either way, we're going to go have a good time. Alright, at the first hole, 335-yard par 5 or par 4 here. Really straight, just go hammer one out there. Push it a little right, but should be right at that bunker. That's 64 yards to the flag. It's just a nice easy 56 degree up there. Oh, that should be really good. Should be really good. Alright. Didn't get quite as close as I thought. I still got a really good chance of I was this close to walking that in. Unbelievable. Alright, good par in the first. Alright, par 5 here. Kind of ridiculous to miss that birdie putt there, but that's golf, it happens. It's a reachable par 5 if I hit a good drive though. Get a little right. Stayed right in that tree, we should have a shot at it. Alright, got 135 yards. I didn't hit that drive very well, but being downwind, downhill, gonna have a wedge into this green on a par 5. Oh yeah, we're gonna have about 20-25 feet for eagle. It's a really good looking eagle here, guys. Alright, just gotta miss all the goose poop and give myself a chance here. Should break a little left to right. Wow. That was really straight and yeah. Anyway. There we go. 1 under, let's go. Alright, got about 175 to the front edge. It's probably what I'm gonna play it at. It's downwind still. I know this is called Frozen North Golf Channel, but I promise you, it does get warm in Minnesota every now and then too. We're just gonna go 7-iron, hit something up there, try to run it up to the front of the green, give ourselves a look at it. Oh, it's a little right. I have no idea where that went. We'll find it. All right. This came up a little bit short right here. Little 20-yard pitch here. Try to get it up there close. Not my best chip ever. About 10 feet safe par here. Bogey on the last. But we got a relatively short par 4 here. Try to hit a little baby cut. Oh, that's beautiful. Yep, perfect position. Alright, 84 yards in this flag. Little 3/4 56 degree. leaked a little right on me. We got a good look at it though. Wasn't my best effort there. Should have taken the wind into account, didn't really. But now we got a long 30 feet for birdie here. Go, go, do it.
Come on.
Oh, that was right in the center, right in the center. Gotta hit a little more pace. Good par, good par. Every par's good. All right, another short par 4, dogleg left. Cannot hit driver here. There's no way you can get over those trees. So we're gonna hit a little hybrid up there. Try to get it out about 230 yards or so. Give ourselves a wedge or a 9-iron in. I'm hitting everything exactly how I want it today. You don't get that very often in golf, and I'm very happy right now. All right, got 120 yards in. I'm gonna go 52. Got to keep it short of this flag. It gets really steep back there. All right, not bad, not bad. Long puffer birdie up the hill. Gotta hit harder than that. No, not at all. Got a lot of work for bogey. Big left to right swing. Down the hill. Alright, this is usually a fairly short par 4, but we're dead back into the wind here. There's a bunker out there 260. I don't even know if I can reach it today. Oh. That one wasn't great. I think I went into this like water ball today. I'll check back here just in case I missed it. I know you got 3 minutes to look for a ball, but I'm not going to waste 3 minutes looking for it. It's too damn cold. Alright, take a drop. See if we can get up and down, save our par. Got 108 to the flag. Wind's kind of swirling, a little right to left. Try to hit a 52 up there somewhere. Yeah, we'll have a look at it. Not a great one, but we'll have a look. Again, fix your pitch marks. It's really not that difficult. A touch more pace and that's good. All right, 3 bogeys in a row, 2 bogeys in a row. I don't know, something like that. All right, we got a par 5 here, big dog leg left. You can't even hit driver on this hole. Just gotta hit out there and it's almost a 3-shot hole no matter what you do. Oh my God. It's definitely a 3-shot hole now. kind of one of those little pop flies with my hybrid there. Probably should have hit 3-wood. But I got a decent lie, got my 3-wood. Gonna try to hit a little draw around this tree. Woo! That was pretty. Little worm burner. All right, we got 150 yards. Dead back into this wind once again. It's cold, ball's not going as far. I think I'm gonna go an 8-iron and try to get it up on there. Oh my God, that got hung up there. So this is a 2-club wind, not a 1-club wind. Don't let me forget that. I will, but don't let me. I got like a 30-yard pitch here. See if I can get it close and get a par out of here. Not my best effort. A little downhill. I think it's mostly straight, but to be honest, I don't really know. Just said after my last approach shot that it was a 2-club wind. So I'm going to club up to a 5-iron, typically hit 7-iron here. Try to keep it below the wind, got a lot right to left. Sit. I'll tell you, it was 2-club wind there, wind died down, went a little long. You know, down here in the valley without the wind, it's really, really nice. If you're from Minnesota or the Midwest, you know, anything without the wind is absolutely perfect.
Oh no.
There was no way I was getting that ball to stop. I just can't get behind this flag. Wow. That didn't move at all. That was a disastrous finish of the front 9. We're going to turn it around on the back. Get a little quick with my hands. Should be right about 175 to the flag. Maybe 160. Going to play a punchy 7-iron. Punchy. Should be short right somewhere. Gonna have to figure out how to get up and down these days. Can't keep making movies on these holes. Got another reachable par 5 here. It's a gettable hole if I hit a good tee shot. I think I'm going to try to take it up over those trees. Directly over them. It's a good thing I went a little right because I was not getting over those trees. Good second shot. We got to look at eagle here, guys. pretty straight up the hill. At the line. Pretty. Nope. 126. Gonna have to take another drop. Oh, might be okay. A lot of left to right on this. Or right to left, I mean. That was a really good putt. Really good putt. I'll take bogey with the penalty. All right, short par 4. Making too many silly mistakes today. I don't even know what I'm sitting at. Like 6 over or something like that. I didn't hit it good, but it turned out good. 82 yards downwind. Front flag. Try to land it just short and run it on. Not bad. Should have about 15 feet for birdie. Went a lot further past than what I thought it did. Got about 20 feet or so. All right. I got like 200 in. That's what happens when you push it out right on a dog leg. Just a long way home. Got a 4 iron. Oh, right off the toe. Gonna have to get up and down. I've been great at those today. Myself easy up and down. That's disappointing. Alright, got about 180, 185 to the flag. Little end of the wind, left to right. Gonna hit a 6 iron. Chunked it. So remember how earlier in the round I said I was hitting everything exactly how I wanted it to? Pretty much immediately after that it stopped. But that's the game of golf. Keep on to the next shot. That has to be the mentality. See if I can get up and down from par. It's actually a good little chip. Easy. All right. It's a rough go. Haven't really been getting up and down well today, but that one felt nice. A nice little par 4 here. Kind of crosses a creek, but you have to lay up to about 230, then hit over the creek into the green. got 97 into this pin. Absolutely perfect tee shot. See if I can stick it close and take advantage. Be good. Be good. Going. Whoo! That was pretty close. That was such a good wedge shot. Honestly, my best wedge shot of the day.
Beautiful.
Ball hit right here. 2 feet from the flag. Absolutely wonderful. And remember, don't just fix yours and at least one more. Also, just don't be the person that doesn't fix them. I don't know how many times I gotta say that. It's actually a dicey little putt. A lot of break here. Just hit it, dude. Just hit it a little harder. Dead center cup. Missed it. Alright, another par 3 here. About 180 yards to the flag. I'm gonna go 6-iron again. I know I just chunked one on the last par 3, but I got a good feeling about this one. I think it's too far in the air though. Oh no, it went over. Went over the green. That's okay. At least I didn't chunk it. Alright. I actually thought my ball was way over the green. It is not. Just on the fringe. Got a putt at a birdie. Outside luck. That's a really good putt. That is a really good putt. Best lag putt I've had all day. Alright guys, made it to this far in the video. First off, thank you for watching, I appreciate it. This has not been my best golf effort, but I feel pretty good. I hit a lot of good shots, made some putts, made a birdie. We're going to see if we can do something good. There's a lot of wind up here. But anyway, I appreciate you watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Appreciate you. Let's get it done. Got an 8-iron here. Let's try to get one more birdie. And this on a high note. That's not good. Alright. Got ourselves a fried egg here. Been trying a little unique technique for this. I don't remember where I first saw it, but keep a little closed face. Just kind of hack down into the sand. Pop the ball out. It comes out a little knuckly. But as long as I don't blade it, 75 yards over the green, it should be okay. That's so good out of a fried egg. Yeah. Let's see if we can make this for a par. If you haven't tried that bunker technique, give it a shot. I don't know why. I've done it the last 3 times. I've had a fried egg, and it's worked perfectly every time. It's a life hack. Give it a shot. ended both nines with a double bogey. That's such a horrible way to leave a golf course. But it doesn't matter. It was still a lot of fun.